Okay, now we're going to do a titration test. A titration test measures the amount of cleaners that are in the substance that we're doing. Okay, if it has any cleaners in it, it's going to turn it a violet purple. So this is the raw diesel one.
Which claims it has stuff in it.
Correct. Got some cleaners in it.
See, compound's not all bad.
So this is the house.
Oh,
Got cleaners in it.
a little darker.
A little
A
darker.
little darker.
Power Service got cleaners in it.
Almost identical to the house.
Standardine. Got cleaners in it. BG. Got cleaners in it. So normally, guys, the gasoline doesn't have any cleaners. So this one titrant is going to tell us how powerful the cleaners are in each one. Maybe if I saw better, I wouldn't be so shaky. So we got the raw diesel.
What color is this supposed to turn?
Clear, back to original color. Okay,
2 drops.
2 drops. So it's got a little cleaner in it. So this is the house. Five drops. So it's really only got 3, right? Because the diesel had 2. Power Service. So it really got 1. So Power Service, supposed to keep your injectors clean, supposed to keep your injectors clean. Does it have lubricity in it? If it ain't got cleaners like it said, does it got any lubricity in it? No. So Standardine.
You over-treated that one. Pretty good cleaner.
Yeah, 9. 10. Standardine had a good name. They put cleaners in their stuff. Okay. So this is the BG. Six. 9. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, it goes to 80.
80?
80, easy. Okay, this shit's expensive, so at 40 I quit putting it in. Okay. All of these products and the diesel fuel are gimmicks, guys. This product, since they're both the same, this product actually has chemistry in it and does what it's supposed to. That's how much cleaners, lubricity, corrosion inhibitors that are in the product, because on the back of the label we say what it has. So $12, $13 or $14, $12, $30.
1 ounce per 20 gallons.
1 ounce per 20 gallons.
So
You get what you pay for, guys.
that's 680
Gallons.
gallons of fuel that treats.
Correct.
This
Those are
treats-
per tank?
Huh?
How much are those?
This is 100 gallons.
Oh,
This is 100 gallons.
And it's 1 ounce per 20, so yeah, 600 gallons. Right?
It's
32
680, I
ounces.
think.
Yeah, so
90 gallons.
it's actually a better deal.
substantially.
Ours is concentrated, ain't got no fillers, it ain't got kerosene in it, it ain't got number 1 in it, it ain't got kerosene in it. It's product that's you guys need for your vehicles.
I'm sold.